Hello friends, today in this video phonetics part 2 we shall study plosives, consonants from English phonology. In my previous video we studied vowels and diphthongs. So let us see what is meant by plosives. Plosive means explosive sounds. When we get explosive sounds, they are called plosives. They are 6 in numbers: p, p, t, d, k, and k. Let us see one by one. There are 3 pairs: p, b, t, d, k, g. In figure 1, we shall see how these plosives are pronounced. P and B. When both the lips are tightly closed together and air passes through it with all of a sudden, then we get sound P and B. For examples: power, point, peckle, paddle, pent. And the examples of P sound are pottle, pack, pawl, pat, pox, pen. And at the place of unstressed syllable, they are pronounced in a simple way: stop, cap. Now let us see t and d. In t and d, the air is stopped behind tip of the tongue and teeth ridge. And when we release the air, all of a sudden we get sound t and d. The examples are time, table, torch, take, total, taken, toss. And the examples of d sound are doctor, date, diet, tall, duster, dirty. And at the places of non-stressed syllables, they are pronounced simply. It is cat, it is stopped. Now see the manner of articulation of k and g sound. Here the air is stopped behind the back of the tongue and soft palate, and when we release, all of a sudden the air, we get sound k and g. For example, king, come, cattle, kite, kitchen, come. And examples of g sound are cat, cow, cost, carriage, kit. And at the unstressed places of, they are pronounced simply pack, pack. In this way we learn about plosive sounds, and in my coming videos we shall learn the remaining consonants. Thank you for watching me.